So let's go figure out how to switch screens based on points. So I'm going to go to my second example here. By the way, on the last example I showed you, I had the instructions on one of the backgrounds. And yesterday I told you that if you didn't want to put instructions on a background, you could put it right here on this home screen for your game. So I put the same set of instructions there. So now I don't need a background that has instructions on it. So for this particular game, let's see, how many backdrops did I put in? So I have a blank backdrop, which I probably will not use, and then I have these three. And so this would be my first screen that I start playing on. This would be my second one. This would be my third one. And so on the scripts for the backdrops, I would want to start with the green flag. I want to make sure that I'm starting on the screen that is the blue sky screen, because that's my first one. And then I'm going to bring in another green flag, and I'm going to bring in a forever, because I want the screens to switch after 5 points, because I've got 3 screens. Okay, so 5 points on the first screen, 5 points on the second screen, and it'll be 5 points on the third screen. So I'm going to have it forever. Check to see if, and this time I'm probably going to use an equal sign. I think this will work. An equal sign. I'll go get my score. So if the score is equal to 5 points, I want to switch my backdrop to the boardwalk. So hopefully this will work the way that I want it to. And then I'm going to take that set of code, I'm going to duplicate that set of code, and if my score is greater than 10 points, I want to switch it to the brick wall. So let's see if this works. There we go. All right, I've reached my 15 points, but I did not code in for it to stop. So it switched backdrops like I wanted it to. And so now I need to code in that the game will stop. Okay? And so I'm going to go to the bowl, because it's kind of the one in charge, because it's doing all the catching and all the getting rid of the apples. So let's go to events. Let's do a green flag clicked. On this one, we're going to forever see if the score is greater than, and we'll do like we did on the last one, we'll do 14. So if the score is greater than 14, we want, actually we want under looks, we want to say, you win. So the basket's going to say you win. And then we want a stop all, which means the apples will stop dropping. They'll just kind of stop exactly where they're at. So let's see if that works. Oh, my basket didn't say you win. Okay, so that's something I would need to work on. So that's something I'd have to go in and test and figure out how to make sure that that works. But that gives you an idea of how to stop the game, how to stop all movement, and how to switch your backgrounds. So good luck, and hopefully that was helpful.